Hey guys, Stephanie here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Kooks 1 7/8 inch long tube headers for 2008 and newer 5.7, 6.1, and 6.4 liter owners out there. So these long tubes will work for most, but if you have the 6.2, you'll obviously be looking elsewhere for headers. These long tubes have 1 7/8 inch primary tubes, which makes them on the larger side, and it means that they're really going to open up exhaust flow. These are going to be ideal for someone who has some supporting modifications, who's looking for a top quality stainless steel long tube and that doesn't mind paying for these qualities. These cost right about $1,200 and going to call the install a 3 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. Long tube headers are going to be a big upgrade over the restrictive cast iron manifolds. Long tubes will make for a very free-flowing exhaust system, especially with an aftermarket mid-pipe or catback, and especially if you go with an off-road or catless setup. You'll see horsepower and torque gains and also get a big improvement in sound from long tubes. Those gains will be slightly larger in the case that you go with an off-road setup, and you can expect more sound without cats too. So we just said that long tube headers are going to offer both performance and sound gains, but the end result of your headers will depend on the rest of your setup. When I say end result, I do mean both the performance and the sound gains. And if you're looking for the best performance out of your long tubes, you'll want to consider having some supporting mods with these headers. With that being said, you don't necessarily need a tune in order to install these headers, but if you're looking for the most performance out of them, you'll want a tune to help with that. So just keep that in mind. Taking a look at the specifics here, these are a 304 stainless steel header that has a natural or raw finish, which is going to be different than a chrome or ceramic coated header. It obviously doesn't have the polished appearance that a chrome header would have. And while these don't have the ceramic coating either, they are made from that 304 stainless steel tubing, so you won't have to worry about corrosion. Not to mention, you get to see the beautiful welds here since these do have the raw finish. Over time, the stainless steel headers will color slightly as they're heat soaked, but overall, the appearance will hold up. The primary tubes have that larger 1 7/8 inch diameter like I mentioned earlier. They are mandrel bent to help with smooth airflow, and they merge down to a 3-inch collector with a scavenging spike. Kooks always uses scavenging spikes just to make sure the headers will flow perfectly. And Kooks uses a ball and socket design here for a tight and leak-free fit. That leads me to the connection pipes. You'll need to run Kooks connection pipes with these headers. The connection pipes are 3-inch and you can pick them up catted or uncatted. The headers will come with an extra O2 bung for a wideband O2 sensor. You also get 2 O2 extensions, gaskets, stage 8 locking header and collector bolts, and all of the install hardware. Touching on the install again, this one's going to be a 3 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. Long tube headers are a difficult install. With that being said, that's going to wrap up this video. Keep in mind you can always check these out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.